Hello friends, in this mini video tutorial I'm going to show you the new tool Ubersuggest. This is a free online tool provided by Neil Patel that provides many of the functionalities from Ahrefs and SEMrush, but the difference is that this tool is completely free, right? So we are going to check at it. You can start with the dashboard in order to, well, 1 second. Cars, more cars. Okay, so the first is this dashboard where you can add your project in order to track and crawl your website. You can go here, overview, and here you can place or a keyword or a domain, right? Imagine we want to analyze the competence, and let's say, for example, we're going to analyze Neil Patel's website. We're going to use his tool in order to analyze his business. And let's check, we need to choose here the country. Okay, here it is. Well, this seems to be a very big website. Maybe I should have picked a website more little, but here it is. He has, well, nearly 500,000 of keywords, organic traffic monthly more than 1 million visits, and he has very interesting, more than 2.5 millions of backlinks, where mainly they are no follow. They are mainly no follow. And well, here you can see last month 1.1 million visits. It's absolutely incredible. And you can see which are the top visited pages in his website. Okay, what is Google AdWords? He has placed a lot of backlinks, or others has placed these backlinks, but he received more than 500,000 visits just to this article. So you can see that he has these visits, more than 1.5 million. They are visiting one article. What is Google AdWords? Another is what is affiliate marketing? What is SEO? What is digital marketing? Okay, so you can see here things, okay, is that if you do pages which purpose is to explain what is, okay, what is, this works, okay, this works. So what is SEO, what is digital marketing? This has a lot of searches, but this has many more, Google AdWords. Okay, it's interesting. You can check for ideas. For example, you write here and you say, okay, what is digital marketing? And let's look long tail, longer than this, right? 1 second. What is digital marketing? Okay. What is digital marketing? What are digital marketing? Why is digital marketing important? What is digital marketing strategy? What are digital marketing strategies? Okay, so here you can find a lot of long tails, right? But Neil Patel is also telling you, be aware, you will require at least more than 400 backlinks and a domain score of 89, which is very, very, very high, in order to rank for this keyword. Okay, what is digital marketing? Okay, so maybe this is a very difficult one, and you should choose something more easy. Let's say, what is digital outreach? Okay, let's check this. Okay, well, this has a very little volume, okay, but in case you want to start, this is easy, right? 10 backlinks, but the domain score is also very high, but well, with 10 backlinks, and maybe you can place instead of 10 20 or 30 backlinks in order to compensate if you have a domain score lower than this, right? Well, these are ideas that you can do by analyzing the competence. Another point here, very interesting, you can click here, okay? There is top pages, the keywords, there is the site audit, which is very, very interesting. You can place and do an audit of a site, but this will take some minutes. And you can also analyze the backlinks of this man, okay? He has a lot of them, but well, you can see that he has backlinks from GoDaddy, which has a domain score of 100, Wikipedia, LinkedIn, Gravatar, Medium. Okay, so and you can see which is the anchor text. Okay, this you can find here which is the origin and which is the destination, his website, right? So the origin is in this website. Maybe we can find it. Here it is. Okay, the origin, and it's pointing to app neilpatel.com English Ubersuggest, right? So, well, this is a tool. I hope you enjoy it because it's completely free and it provides a lot of useful and meaningful information in order to improve your rankings in Google search. Well, I hope you enjoy. See you next time. Bye bye.